Good day learners, and welcome to today's video in which we are going to be looking at financial documents within grade 10. So with the financial documents in grade 10, we look at till slips, invoices, municipal bills, which is divided into property rates and water and sanitation. So those are the basic ones. We do also look at tariffs a little bit. So those are the things you need to know within grade 10. So today, let's have a look at the till slip and what you need to know. Right. So, like I said, grade 10, we're looking at till slips, and I'm going to give you two examples. So most of you know this, okay? Most of you know these things. You've seen these till slips when you go to the shop with your parents. So let's have a look at some of the information that's on this till slip and what they could possibly ask you. So first of all, we've got the name of the shop that you went to. Right, in this case, Checkers Hyper. You've got the region where it is, right? This one is located in Boksburg. There's the telephone number of this branch of Checkers. Where's this branch located? At Value Center Mall in Boksburg. Okay, so already there's like 3-4 questions that can come from this. Then we've got details like the invoice number, right? Tax invoice VAT number for the company. We've got the list of items. Now, please, when you look at these, you can see there's been a price reduction on some of these. Original price $19.99. So here, for example, they tell us price reduction. The original price of the Blueberry PP cup was $19.99. However, what are you being charged? 10 Rand. Okay. We've got a couple of other things. We've got over here. We've got some chicken livers, okay? But this person didn't just buy one 250 gram little box of chicken livers. No, they bought 3 at 13 Rand 99 each, which means the total year for the chicken livers is 41 Rand 97. Okay, so learners, please do take note of that. Right. Then you'll also see on certain items, there's a little asterisk next to it. This means that VAT is not charged on those items. So you can even see here with our price reduction of the blueberry cups, there's no VAT on that. There's no VAT on that. There's no VAT on this. There's a checkout bag. So your plastic bag, you've been charged 58 cents. Your chicken livers, there's VAT on that. Chicken portions fried, there's VAT on that. But the brown bread, I think on staples there's no VAT, so no VAT on the brown bread, but there is VAT on the tomato sauce, and then that gives you a total payment, or total due rather, of 121 Rand 55 cents. This was an electronic payment, so the person maybe paid via their card, or some sort of electronic payment, and they paid the full amount. At the bottom, they give you a breakdown of the items that you were charged VAT for. So what is the current VAT rate? It's 15%. You've got your items that you were charged for in terms of VAT. How much did that VAT work out to on those items? It worked out to 10 Rand 57 cents. And items you were not charged VAT for, those totaled 40 Rand 49. So together, it'll still give you that total, right? And then they've got details here at the bottom. Win a car promotion. This, you've got one entry. They give you some details what time this took place. Now, please, this time is the time at which you finished your purchase, right? When that till slip comes out, this is the time that's printed. So when they ask you at what time did the person finish their shopping, this would be the time over here. 1640 would be that time, right? Then they tell you just please keep that. They don't give us some details on this, but usually these details indicate like which there's a slip number. It'll indicate which cashier as well. Sometimes they have the name of the cashier on as well. Now I've got another one, also Checkers. This one you can see different venue, still a contact number. It gives me the specific branch where it's located. I've got my number over there indicating this particular document. The tax invoice number for this company, there it is over there. I can see what I've bought and what I've been charged for those items. There's my total. Again, an electronic payment has taken place. None of these items, you can see there's no asterisk here, so I was charged VAT on all of these items. That's the VAT rate, that's the VAT that I was charged, and that's my total, and you can see it corresponds 100% with my total over there. Right. Also the winner car promotion, cashier number, the time at which this transaction was completed, and then obviously keep your till slip as proof of purchase. Okay, so that's just jumping into our till slips.